Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best hotspot with Ethernet port you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many hotspot with Ethernet port and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each hotspot with Ethernet port, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a hotspot with Ethernet port. The first factor is connection speed and stability, as a reliable hotspot should deliver consistent performance for multiple devices. Next, check the Ethernet port quality and speed rating because it determines how effectively you can connect wired devices. Battery life is another crucial aspect, especially if you plan to use the hotspot on the go. You should also consider data compatibility and network support to ensure it works with your carrier. Additionally, look at the device's security features like password protection and encryption to keep your data safe. Finally, review portability, size, and ease of setup to match your daily needs. These points help you select a dependable and efficient hotspot with Ethernet capability. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights.